What it do? Coming back with my last. I had wired it up just a little. Give you a 360 here. You see the finished product. I want you to look at this, the bar right here. Yeah, I just did a small little wiring to it. Then you see the finished product. Yeah, I just got a little more clipping to do to it, but I got most of the brown off it. You see that the bar there has that root coming out on one side. I just want you to get a look at that. Yeah, this is my triple Cascade. I have two coming off each side. This one coming from the front. I'm going to develop my pads. Show y'all the development of my pads once I get it growing the way I want to. And this is the conclusion of my triple Cascade. This would be maybe the front of it right here. Maybe side view. I'll make my decision on the front of the bag here. Yeah, just letting you see the last of this triple Cascade, well, semi-Cascade, because I have a apex here, limb coming off, two limbs off this side, and I'm gonna develop this into a pad once I get it straightened out. So just giving you a little shot of the finished product here. Like and subscribe, Cause Hall YouTube channel. Peace and have great.